Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and if you regularly follow my YouTube channel, you probably noticed some very unusual activity from the about mid to late September. Well, let me tell you what happened. First, the good news is everything is back pretty much to normal. But on September 11, my YouTube channel got hacked, or you might say hijacked. First, let me tell you how it happened. I got an email on September 11, apparently from YouTube, saying that one of my videos had a copyright strike. And that usually means that I used copyrighted music in the video. But there can be other reasons also why there would be a copyright strike. It listed a specific video, and it said, click here for more details about the copyright strike on that video. So of course, I wanted to know why, because there was no music in the video. So I clicked here. Big mistake. When I clicked here, it downloaded something into my computer that snatched up my private information of mostly like passwords, I guess, so that whoever sent out this email, which was not YouTube at all, it was some hijacking scammer, they were able to go into my Google account and change my password, change my recovery email, and change my recovery phone number so that I could not go in and even look at my account. Totally unable to log in. So first they took down my Gmail email account, and then they went into my YouTube account and completely hijacked it. And the Google login is the same login that gets me into YouTube, because as you know, Google owns YouTube, so there's only one login for both Google and YouTube. So I couldn't get into Google, I couldn't get into YouTube, I couldn't do anything. So what the hijackers did was they set all of my videos, about 1,200 of them, to private, meaning nobody can actually see them. They're still there, but nobody can see them, except me, if I was able to log in, which I was not able to log in and see. So then they uploaded a live stream video about buying Bitcoin, or what you call cryptocurrency, and it turned out to be really just a scam live stream video that they were hoping people would watch and buy whatever they're selling. And that became the only video in my channel. They changed my channel name from RV Vagabond Jerry to ARK Invest, and I think ARK Invest is a legitimate investment company, so I don't think ARK Invest is the one that did it. It was somebody else who was somehow getting commissions for making sales, I guess through ARK Invest. So that was up for several days. So if you went into my channel at that time, that's what you would have seen. And then when YouTube saw what was happening on my channel, rather than contacting me and letting me know that this has happened and what to do to recover it, get it back to normal, instead YouTube just terminated my account. They just shut everything down so that now the YouTube channel was just not there at all. And that's the way it's been for about the last 10 days. So I scrambled to try and figure out how to restore a hacked-in YouTube channel. And I couldn't go directly to YouTube support, because they do have YouTube support for us channel creators. However, you have to be logged into your account to use the YouTube support. I could not log in. So I found out that YouTube has a Twitter account for we YouTube creators to communicate with them when we're not able to do so through YouTube. Now, before that point, I found that there were some supposed cyber experts that can go in and restore hacked accounts in Google or YouTube, and they charge a fee to do that. So I bit the apple on that, and I paid a guy $300 to try and restore my Google and YouTube accounts. He never did a doggone thing for me. So if this happens to you, don't go to those guys. They're pretty much just a scam too, at least in my experience, even though I found good reviews on Twitter about this particular person that I used. So I don't know for sure just what's going on there, but he wasn't able to do me any good. But soon after that, I found out how to contact YouTube directly through Twitter, and they were first able to reestablish my Gmail email account. They got that back up for me. And then about a week later, they finally got my YouTube channel back to where I could go in and access it. And even though I did have a restored Google login, that did not get me into YouTube. The one Google login is supposed to access both YouTube and Google, but it wasn't working for YouTube. So it took a while, about a week or so, of communicating with YouTube to get my YouTube channel back restored, that I could go in and fix things, which did happen just yesterday. They finally came through for me. So I went in and to my YouTube account, changed the name back to RV Vagabond Jerry. And one thing that the hackers did was they changed all my videos to private, meaning nobody can see them but me. So I had to change all those videos back to public so that everyone can see them as usual. And that took a few hours of work by me to do, but I got that done. I got my posting schedule reworked, and yesterday, September 24, when the channel was restored, all of a sudden about 6 videos came online that were supposed to have come online during this process. So all of a sudden one day you got a bunch of videos showing up. This has been very disturbing to me, very disheartening, and I was very depressed for a while, fearing that I would not be able to get my YouTube channel back. It has been a horrendous experience, but thank God and YouTube, I finally got everything, as far as I can tell, restored pretty much back to normal. So what you'll see on my channel now right away is several videos that I did around Detroit, Michigan, in process of my touring the South Shore of the Great Lakes. And next I'm going up Lake Huron, Lake Superior, finishing this tour, and then back down to Texas where I am now. So I've got about 40 videos still to go up on that whole RV trip that I made, plus several videos that I made down in Texas once I got back here. So I'm still going to have a new video go up every other day, my usual schedule. So basically, my channel has been down for 2 full weeks. I'm back, pretty much back to normal. So I hope I didn't lose many subscribers during that time, or people thinking that my channel is just gone for good. I hope that's not the case, and that they will all come back and view my videos the way they used to. So before I continue with my travel videos, I just wanted to make this to explain to everyone what's happened now that everything is over, everything is done, everything is pretty much back to normal. And now I know what not to click on to prevent this from happening again. Good day, folks.